Now to more special formula. Tan A is sin A by cos A. Tan theta is sin A by cos A. Tan A is sin A by cos A. Cot A is second one. Cos A by sin A. So these are the special two formulas there. Tan in terms of sin and cos. Cot in terms of cos and sin. Okay. Now angle A is given 0. Just you have to do this, how to get the values, how to remember the values. Okay, just see that we will say, just you can play without remembering all these values, angles, we can frame that, label it as 0. Here 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, we are labeling 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide with all number with 4. Now we are dividing with 4. Each and every number with 4. Suppose we are dividing with this. If you simplify it, you will get value. What is that? 0 by 4 is 0. Here again, before this we have to, okay, first write this, then we will go. 1 by 4 as it is, simplify value of this is 1 by 2. This is again as it is, this is 1. Okay, if you put the root for all, if you put the root for all, now simplify or cancel the root. Root of 0 is root 0. Root of 0 is always 0. Here root of 1 is, we know that root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2. So this is 1 by 2. Here again root of 1 is 1. Here we take denominator as it is because root 2 is not a, it is a fraction. So write like that number. Root 2 is what? Root 2 is in terms of 1.414. Instead of this we have to put like that. So we are putting as it is. This is root 3 by root 4. Root 4 is what? Again 2. Root 1 is what? 1. Root 4 is 2 and root 1 is always 1. And root 3 is what? Root 3 is 1.732. There is no need to write this number. Just put that number as it is. Just see these values is a value of sin A. Sin A. That means sin A angle is there. Sin 0 degree is 0. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degrees sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degrees is 1. So we have done, this is a logic to get this value. What we have to do? We have to first put the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all number with 4. Simplify it and write there. After that take the root. Root value of these numbers is a sin. First step 1 to 4. Divide all number with 4. Take and simplify that. Take the root of that. This value is value of this angle. Sin 0 degree is 0. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And 90 is 1. Now cos theta. Cos A. For cos A, what you have to do? For cos, you have to just write from that side. If you don't know the values, then frame this like this and make an arrangement. Now put this value first one. Second value here. Third value in this third column. This goes to this side and this goes to this. That means cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. So like that we can remember that. Now tan A or tan theta. See, tan is what? Sin by cos. Divide these by these. 0 by 1 is what? 0. 0 by 1 is what? 0. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So denominator get cancelled. Numerator you have 1, in denominator you have root 3. So tan 30, this tan 30, in 30 we have to write 1 by root 3. If you divide these, both are same, you will get 1 by 1, 1. Here you will get denominator, 2 gone, root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is always root 3. Why? Because there is no need to write 1 in denominator. So this is root 3. That means tan 60 degrees is what? 3. And here 0, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So we have to write infinity sign. That means not defined. Infinity sign. If you got these three value, now very easy to frame another values. Reciprocal of this cosec. Okay, cosec A. Cosec A is reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means 0. 0. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. That is what? Infinity. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. That is reciprocal. The infinity. This is 2 by 1. That is 2. This is root 3. Root 2 by 1. That is 2. Here 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Here 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now sec. Sec is what? Reciprocal, or you can put the values like this. This value you have to put here. You can put this 1, 2 root 3. This is root 2. This is 2 and this is infinity. Same like sine. Sine and cos, cosec and sec. Interchange the values from column to column. Okay? Like this. Then tan. Oh sorry, tan is there. Cot. Cot A is what? Cot A is this value. Put that value from here. Tan value, tan 90 value, cot 60 value, 0 value. 30, 60 values goes to 30. 45 value same, 1. And this goes to 30 value goes to 60's column. 60 degree, this goes to 0. See, this way you can remember all values of that. Cos theta 0. If A in place of A, we have taken 0, then cos 0 degree is 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees is 0. So, just see here, sine values increases from 0 to 1 while increasing degrees. Cos value decreases from 1 to 0. From 0 to 90, as angle increases, value decreases. Tan value, it is 0 to infinity, means increasing value. Again tan increases from 0 to infinity. Cosec value, it is infinity to decreasing. Infinity to 1 decreasing. Sec value 1 to infinity increasing. Cot value infinity to 0 decreasing. So you can get the values from 0 to 90 increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Seeing this chart, you can say which value from 0 to 90 decreases or increases. 120, 140 we can find the angles with combination sin A plus B like that. Here we have some standard angles, angle values. You have to by heart this, or otherwise remember this one. Take the verticalness, shift the angles. After that divide these two you will get, divide these two you will get, using these two formulae, or otherwise reciprocal, taking reciprocal. You can find the all values from 0 to 90. This is called standard angle values of 6 ratios. Now this is a quadrant. 0 degree starts from here. It goes like this, 90, and 90 to 80, 180, 180 to 270, 270 to again 360. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. 4 quadrants are there, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Complete one circle. Okay. In this one, first quadrant, all is there. In second quadrant, silver is there. In third quadrant, tea is there. In fourth quadrant, cups are there. So one sentence is there. One proverb, not sentence. All silver teacups. All silver teacups. If you remember this, you can find the plus and minus values of given ratios. How many ratios are trigonometry ratios? 6 are there. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. These are 6 ratios. If these ratios lies in first quadrant, means 0 to 90, the value of 0 to 90, sin 0 to 90, cos 0 to 90, tan 0 to 90, sec 0 to 90, cosec 0 to 90, sec 0 to 90, cot 0 to 90, all 6 are lies in this one. So we can write them as all. All means all are positive. All values are positive. All 6 ratios of trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant. That's why all is used. Silver. Silver stand. First letter is what? Sin. S. S for sin. Sin and reciprocal of that is cosec. Sin and cosec are positive. Other sin is positive. Cosec is positive. Cos, tan, sec, cot is negative in this one. Other 4 are negative. Other 4, which 4 are negative in second one? That is cos, tan, sec, cot. Values should be negative. In this third one, T stands for tan. Okay? Tan theta and reciprocal of it, that is cot. Tan and cot is positive for third quadrant. Other 4 are negative. Here cups for C. C stand for cos theta. Cos and reciprocal sec both are positive and all other 4 are negative. So if you take sin here, sin is not there, cos is there, sin is what? Other, in others. So that sin value is negative. Here sin is negative because tan and cot is positive. So sec, cos, sin, cosec, all 4 are negative. Here sin is positive, cosec is positive, tan, cot, sin, sec, all negative. Here all are positive, like that. All silver teacups, all A, all means all stands for all 6 thetas. S stand for sin and its reciprocal, T stand for tan and its reciprocal, C stand for cos and its reciprocal. Just remembering this proverb, we can find all silver teacups means 4 quadrant 4 letters. 4 quadrant 4 letters, which gives the sign of them. Okay. Now remember this. On this basis we can calculate the values of this. This is also nothing but formula. Now sin 90 minus theta, 90 minus something comes in between first quadrant. 90 minus, suppose theta is 10, 80 lies in between first quadrant. 90 minus 20, 70 lies in this one. 90 minus 40, 50 lies in this one. Any value is there in place of theta. 90 less than theta is lies in this one. So first quadrant. Sin, we have to write reciprocal. For 90 value, wherever 90 is there, we have to write cos. And theta, this is cos theta. For sin, for cos, we have to write sin theta. This is formula. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan cot. Cosec, sec. Sec, cosec. And cot, tan. For cot, we have to write tan. So all are positive. Why? Because 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. 90 minus theta, 90 minus something less than 90, which comes in quadrant 1. 0 to 90, this quadrant. 90 to 180, 90 to 180 degrees, second quadrant. 180 to 270 degrees, 270 degrees, third quadrant. 270 to 360 degrees, fourth quadrant. So all positive values are there. For first quadrant, all positive, positive sine, positive cos, sine, cot, sec, cosec and tan. Sine 90, whenever 90 is there, we have to write this. Sine goes to change to cos, cos change to sine, tan to cot, cosec to sec, sec to cosec, cot to tan, tan cot, cot tan. Okay, like this interchange. Cosec sec, sec cosec, sine cos, cos sine. Here also same. For sine we have to write cos. Theta is there, write theta. But see that 90 plus theta falls in second quadrant. 90 plus value comes in second quadrant. So silver means sine is positive. So this is positive. Cos is, we have to write cos 90 plus theta sin theta. But cos is what? Cos is in this one, second quadrant. Sine is positive, other are negative. So we have to put here negative sign. Negative because of this cos. Negative. Because cos 90 plus theta falls in second quadrant, so it is negative. Negative, and cos is the cos reciprocal value for 90 is sine. So like that, tan cot. Okay. For tan we have to write cot theta, but tan falls in second quadrant as negative. Cosec is a reciprocal, so we have to write just positive value. Sec, and sec is negative, that's why it is sec goes to cosec and it change. Due to sec we get negative sign. Cot again, cot is in negative there, change it to tan theta. So like that we can write. Suppose here sin 90 minus 45 is there. So what value we have to write? Whenever 90 is there, it change to cos theta. Sin change to cos. This angle is 45. So like this we can find tan 90 minus theta minus 30 degrees is there. So what we have to write here? For tan change to cot. Okay. 30 degrees is there, 30 degree. In place of theta we have 30, so we put 30 degrees there. So like this we can find the value. We can find the value for this. If it is plus, suppose we are writing here sin 90 plus 45. What we have to write here? Sin positive. That's why it is cos 45. Because due to this sign we are getting positive value. Suppose we are taking cos 90 plus 45. It comes in second quadrant. For sin we have to, for cos we have to write sin. Okay, 45 to 45. We have to write 45 as it is. But cos is negative, that's why we have to put here negative sign. So like this we will get the formula and we can simplify the values also. We can write how much this. Tan cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Here minus 1 by root 2. So this is, if you add this, what? Cos 135. This is 135. Cos 135 is minus of 1 by root 2. And here we will get sin 35. Sin 135 degrees is 1 by root 2. So sometimes we are getting positive value, sometimes we are getting negative value. According to this we have to select which value and which sign they have. So this is the formula how to put this value. Remember that whenever 90 is there, sin change to cos. 90 cos change to sin. 90 tan change to cot. 90 cosec to sec. Sec to cosec. Cot to tan. If you remember this, you can frame the all formulae. Okay, and you can solve the problems also. In this basis you can solve the problems also. Now sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus comes in second, and sin 180 is there. Whenever 180 is there, there is no need to worry about which value we have to take. Sin is there, you have to write sin theta. For sin, for cos theta. Plus or minus we will put later. Okay, put cosec. There is no need to change the sin to cos, cos to Sine, tan to cot, cot to cosec to sec, sec to cosec. We have to write directly the same one. What is there? We have to put the same one. Here 180 is there. So just put the sine. Sine theta. Here cos theta. Here tan theta. Here cosec, for cosec, cosec. For sec, sec. For cot, cot only. Like that same theta you have to follow. But you have to put the sign. How can you put the sign? 180 minus something comes in this one. 180 less than 180 more than 90 comes in second quadrant. So sign is positive. So this positive, because of this sign is positive. Cos, so it is negative. Tan, negative. Why? Because it comes in second. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So it is positive. Sec, negative. And cot, negative. So sine and its reciprocal is positive. All four are negative in second quadrant. Now sine 180 plus theta comes in this one. So for here t means tan positive, other are negative. Sine is there, negative. Cos is there, negative. Tan is there, positive. Cosec is negative. Sec, negative. It is a reciprocal of tan, so it is positive for third quadrant. So this way we can remember and we can put the sign. So whenever 180 is there, just you have to put for sign, we will get sign only. Suppose we are taking two examples, questions, competitive questions. Sin 180 minus 45 degrees is dash. So yeah, just you have to, 180 is there, you have to write sign 45. It is in third quadrant, second quadrant, so positive because of sign positive value. Sin 45 is how much? 1 by root 2 over. So sin this value 185 minus this, how much this? If you calculate, this will be 135. Sin 135 is what? Again positive value because it comes in second quadrant. Suppose if it dance one more bit, take 180 minus 45. So what? For tan we have to write tan. Why? Because 180 is there, due to tan is tan. 45 angle theta is there, in theta plus 45. It comes in second quadrant. So negative tan 45 is minus 1. So tan 135 is nothing but minus 1. Similarly we can find these values also. Okay, it comes in this one. So this is T is positive, that means tan and reciprocal cot positive, all other four are negative. Now 270 minus sin 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270, like that we will get 270 minus theta. Here 270 plus theta. 270 minus lies in second. 270 minus theta lies in, third quadrant, Q3. Okay, greater than this, less than this, lies in third quadrant. For sine, whenever 270 is there, again we have to write sine to cos theta. Cos, for cos, sine theta. For tan, cot theta. For cosec, sec theta. For sec, cosec theta. For cot, tan theta. So this way we have to, whenever 270 is there, again sine to cos, cos to sine. Remember that. Now put the sign value of plus or minus, negative or positive value. Sin 270 minus theta lies in this third quadrant. All this lies in third quadrant. If it is lies in third quadrant, what should we take? Tan. All silver T for tan. Tan theta is positive. Other are negative. Sin is negative. This cos is also negative. Tan is positive. Cosec is negative. Sec is negative. Cot, because of tan it is reciprocal of tan, that's why it is positive. 4 are negative, other 2 are positive. Now similarly again we can write here sin 270 is there. So without thinking, whenever 270 is there, sin change to cos change to sin theta. This is cot theta, tan to cot, sec to cosec to sec. and sec to cosec. Okay, and cot to tan. So this way we have to change. 270 plus comes in fourth quadrant, Q4. Q4 means all are in this one, fourth quadrant. So cups we have to take. Cups means cos theta is positive, other are negative. Sin is there, negative. Tan is there, negative. Sec, cosec is a reciprocal of cosec. Acha, cosec is negative. Why? Because it is a sine. Sec is positive because cos is positive, reciprocal also positive. Cot is negative. So 4 values you will get negative, 2 values are positive. Cups and cups, C stands for cos and sec positive. Cos positive, sec positive. See this, cos value positive, sec value positive, other are negative. Like that we can find 270 plus and 270 minus theta. Now sin 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta, 360, 360, 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta lies in between fourth. 270 plus 360 lies in fourth quadrant. So whenever 360 is there, again we have to put for sin. No need to worry about that. 360 is there, cos to cos, tan to tan. Okay, no interchange. Cosec to cosec. Just we have to see sin only. Sec to sec. Here cot to cot. Same we can put same value. 360 is there, sin to sin. Cos to cos, theta theta. Tan to tan, cosec to cosec. There is no change in the ratios. Ratio will be same, value will be changed. Sec to sec, sec. Cot to cot, cot. Okay, cot to cot. Now 360 minus theta lies in between. It lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth is cups. So 360 is a cups. Cups stand for cos. C stand for cos. Sin is there, so it is negative. Cos is there, positive. Tan is there, negative. Cosec is there, negative. Sec is positive because it is a reciprocal of cos. And this is negative. So like 4 values we will get negative, 2 values, that is cups and reciprocal of cups sec. Cos and sec are positive. All are negative in fourth quadrant. Here 360 plus theta again lies in first quadrant. So 360 sin theta, cos theta all are positive. So there is no need to put sign negative. Why? Because if you write sin theta means it is a positive one. Take 2 example of this one. Okay. Suppose you have to find sin 360 plus 45. How much this? 360 is there, so sin to sin is there. 45 angle theta in place of theta, so it is 1 by root 2. Again it comes in first quadrant, so sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So 360 plus theta is there, so this is same value. It comes in first quadrant, so there is no need to put the negative sign. If it is like that, cos 360 minus 45, what we have to do here? We have to change here 360 cos we have to write 45 also. It comes in second quadrant, fourth quadrant. Fourth cups is there, so it is also positive. This is nothing but 1 by root 2. So like this we can find the all values.